Hi guys, welcome back. We are going to continue the last video. So in last video we talked about like destructuring of an object, and we show like it does not create a complete new object. Instead, it refers to the nested objects. So if we try to change the original object which is nested, then what will happen is it will just reflect in the new object. So so that means like each nested fields has a different memory location, so that is called shallow copy. So if you need to do some shallow copy, then you can just create a new memory location for the root properties. So copying is something like you need to declare a new memory location. So if you're an object and you are asked to create a shallow copy, then that means you need to create a new memory location for these variables. So once you destructure, so what will happen? It will create a new memory allocation for these properties, for the root properties. So this is shallow copy. But how we can do the deep copy? So for deep copy, uh, either what you can do is you can just convert that object into string. So you can stringify the object and then you can parse it. This is one way of doing. Like once we convert them into string and again we parse it, it will be altogether a new object. And then once we create a different variable, it will take this as a value and will put it in the new memory location altogether. It does not know like from where it came. So it is just comparing, it is just having some value and parsing it and putting it into the new memory location altogether. Unlike in the last video example we saw, like it was referring to the existing object. Okay, so this is the one way. And what could be the second way? Second way is like you can just iterate over. You can access each values one by one. Also you'll have to access a nested value and put it in the new object, like manually you will have to do that. Third way is like you can use some library like underscore. So we have deep clone there. So if you do that, it will clone it for you. Like it won't do this thing. Instead, it will recursively access the properties and will create a new object for you. So there are three ways, which is there could be some other ways as well, but I'm just letting you know these three ways. The first one is like you can stringify it. Second is you can manually create a method which will access the properties and create a new object. Third is deep clone. So it will automatically do the job for you. It comes from the underscore. So that's all from this video. We'll talk about new things in the new video. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.